Had to do a little TLC today after coming back from the show. So we over here, way back there, my manifold nut, way back there. I came in and it was off, so I had to get that bad Larry back on. That fitting right here, that bad Larry was leaking coolant too. That elbow had a little drip on it, so I had to fix that. Got that taken care of, hopefully. Other than that though, everything looks good on the Cum Daddy after making a 20-hour trip, round trip, 20-hour trip on the Cummins. Nah, she don't squat. The dude said, she squatting, ain't she? I said, hell no, she ain't squatting. But oh shit, step in the amp pile. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. We made it back from Beans Diesel event, man. I got the cap, I got the shirt, man. It was an amazing time. If I saw you out there out there for the Beans Diesel event, we had a good time, man. It was awesome meeting a lot of you guys that came up to me and people that I went up to and just, you know, introduced and just talked. And I mean, it was beyond what I was expecting it was going to be, man. I mean, from the burnout pit to the drag pulls to just the show and shine, just walking around seeing people's builds and just talking to them about it and picking their brains. You guys saw I made a video already. I uploaded Jonah's F250 Lariat, super clean. If you haven't seen that, check it out. Okay, so today's video, you guys, I wanted to get this done before I hit the road to Tennessee, but I was not able to. We're going to be installing a new tune on the truck, a revision since adding the dual fuelers with the CP3s. So we're going to be installing that. So as you guys know, about a month ago I installed PPE. Shout out to PPE. I installed their dual fueler injection pumps. So, oh shit, I didn't even know this wrench was there. So we're gonna be getting finally the revision on for it. Truck runs good now with the old tune on it, but I want to get it dialed in better. So I had a little issue with my tuning company. If you know who my tuning is, you know. If you don't, you just don't. Don't ask me because I'm not gonna tell you. But I had a little issue with them in terms of waiting. It took them 3 weeks to get my revision to me. And that really, really irritated me because, I mean, I know this isn't normal, but 2 dual stock CP3s is nothing extraordinary, you know what I'm saying? It's not like I have some triple CP3 set up. No, this is a very, very common thing in the aftermarket diesel world. So, super disappointed about that, but we got the files, so I'm good with that. So we come over here, we got the auto cal already, and then I unplugged my CSP5 switch from the OBD2 port. So we're gonna go ahead and load it up and get it on, and then let the engine warm up a little bit and take it for a drive. Alright, you guys, so we got the tune flashing. It's flashing right now. These are just the instructions on how to program it. Super common. This is nothing secret about it. So a lot of people don't know this. EFI Live is not a tuning company, okay? They do not write tunes and they do not make tunes for these trucks. Any truck. I actually get asked this every now and then. EFI Live does not make tunes, okay? They just make hardware. AutoCal and a V2, and I'm sure they got other things out there. They make the hardware, okay? A company will come, take the hardware and make software for it, which is tunes, and then you would put the software onto the AutoCal and then hook it up and then run into your truck. A blank AutoCal is about as useless as a football bat. You cannot do nothing with a blank AutoCal. I mean, I don't even think you can read check engine light codes. But yeah, so just a little light on that, because I have had people asking me like, oh, where should I get an AutoCal from? And it's like, to be honest, it really doesn't matter, because a blank AutoCal is useless. Now, some people say, can I buy a used one? You can buy a used AutoCal, but you need to make sure it's going to be good for your truck, and then also you need to make sure that it's unlocked, because what happens is when a tuner puts their tunes onto an AutoCal, they lock the AutoCal to them, so that way other tuners can't just get on there and put their tunes on there. So what happened is, whoever the tunes are on there from previously, they would need to provide an unlock code so you can unlock it and then go to your new tuner. So if you ever buy a pre-owned auto cow, always verify that it is unlocked. Okay. All right, so we got the new tunes installed, cranked her up, running fine, no issues, idling. I put her in tune 1. So if you guys didn't know, I got the CSP5 switch. So right now she's in tune 1, just because I want to verify that they loaded all 5 of my tunes on here, so the CSP5 switch is working correctly. Letting her just kind of warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, you guys, so we're just driving down the street. Coolant's at 105, trans temp's at 77, so I might drive around a little bit just to get it. I want to get it to operating temp before I start like getting into it to see if there's anything crazy. In terms of a difference with the new revision, I'm not expecting it to be like a, you know, a crazy hot tune or something like that, mainly because it's still stock injectors. Yes, it's dual fuelers and dual CP3s, but you can only put so much fuel through a stock injector. You know, getting into now you're talking about duration, pulse whip. I think it's called pulse whip. You know, a stock injector can only be open for so long. You know what I'm saying? It still feels good. It feels good. I got a squeak in my tensioner. I think it's time to change my my pulley tensioner. Oh wow, that's loud. Phone notifications. Yeah, man. So you guys, man, I'm telling you, that show was it was one to enjoy, definitely. Michael and the Beans family out there, dude, they put a show on. I mean, it was in. So if you've never been to Beans' shop, they got a full shop. They got a dyno, loaded dyno, CNC machines, you know, front desk in the store. They actually have garage booths, because back in the day they used to actually do diesel work, performance work on trucks and stuff, but now they're really sticking to CNC and a lot of stuff. A lot of companies, you probably don't know, but a lot of companies go through Beans to get their CNC machining done. You know, valve covers, pretty much anything you want in billet besides rims, they can do it. You know what I'm saying? Engine accessories, stuff like that. Fuel distribution blocks, they can do it, man. They can do it. So yeah, for sure, definitely check out their website. If you go there, or if you call them, tell them I sent you, they'll take care of it, man. So we're driving right now. Feels good. I haven't really given it any crazy fuel. Yeah. So like I anticipated, it would run probably about the same. So, but I like it though, I like it. And we're only in tune 1 right now, so let's see, let's crank, oh, sorry, I'm switching hands. Let's crank up the sauce a little bit. Actually, no, I know what I do. I'll wait till I get to the end of the road. And we'll see what this baby can do. Alright, so one thing I did happen to notice is my fuel rail pressure is idling slightly a little bit better now. It's it used to be around, I want to say 4.5 to 5,000 at idle. Now she's sitting at a solid 6, 5. You know, it's bouncing back and forth. But fuel rail pressure is up a little bit, which is cool. So that's one thing I noticed already. Everything else is good. I'm just at the light right now. As soon as, oh, there we go. As soon as it turns green, we're going to turn, and then I'm going to test out the CSP5 switch here and see if it does good. I say that as I pass a cop right now. Let's see if I can do this while filming. Oh yeah. That's 5. Oh man. Jesus. Yeah, the tunes are working. Wow. Oh, I broke my mini-mac, or I broke my CTS. It's stuck on 27 PSI. Yeah, I made the whole thing freeze. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. Okay, all right, man. Let me drop her back down at 1. I'm gonna unplug this real quick. That's the first time the CTS3 froze since I've updated it. Weird. Oh yeah, man, that feels good. Okay then. All right, go ahead and make a U-turn up here, turn back around, see if we can do this again. I wish I had somebody holding the camera. All right, about to make a U-turn. Mini-Max is back on after messing it up. Oh, snap. Oh yeah. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Wow. Oh man, that's oh snap. You got wow, okay, that is a difference right there, man. That tune was so needed. I needed that tune so bad. It like put me back and like it like legit. Okay, so the truck put me back in the seat before a little bit, but it like legitimately like I felt my butt like sliding back in my own chair. I'm not exaggerating, I'm not gassing it up. I like that. I like this. This is tune 5. Good God have mercy. Boost, I was at about, I think that hit 1100 EGTs, and that was about 3/4 pedal. Man, I wish I would have had this file. You guys don't know, I downloaded my truck when I was at Beans. When I got there Friday night, I downloaded it with the old tunes. It made 518. What in the hell is going on here? Dude, what? Oh my God, you guys just missed it. I don't know what just happened. Okay. So I downloaded my truck with my old tunes and it made 518 on tune 4. This is bad. This is bad to the bone right here. Definitely the engine seems a lot happier now. Like it seems like it's getting the right amount of fuel for these compounds, because on tune 5 I laid into it and looked back and there was like no smoke anywhere. So now it's going good. I'm assuming, if I'm a betting man, they probably took off low boost fueling, because you don't really need low boost fueling on compound setups. Shout out to Monster Ram for that plug. But yeah, so wow, EGTs are looking good. I'll let you guys get a peek. We're sitting at about 700-ish right now. Fuel pressure is a little over 15, so 16 psi, and then boost is at 2 psi right there in the middle of the Mini-Max. I'll let you guys get one more good pull. I want you to look at the middle. I want you to look at the middle one, because that is for my boost. Sick nasty. I like it. Yep, so I'm a happy camper. I'm a happy camper with these. Very, very good. Just the customer service part for my tuners, and I know you're probably like, who the hell is this tuner? We keep saying tuner. Like, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. All I'm gonna say is this: I used to have the HPP, higher power performance. If you know what that means, then you probably most likely know who I have for tuning. But I was extremely upset and disappointed. I really wish I drove 20 hours round trip in this truck with the old tunes, and it rode fine. It drove fine, great fuel mileage. Nothing was wrong with the truck. But I knew it needed a revision done after putting that second injection pump on it. And I tell you what, now fuel raw pressure ain't an issue now. She ain't starving. She is not starving. So definitely, man. And it just goes to show you guys, if you're rocking the Mini-Max or you're rocking the old school Smarty and you're slapping turbo injectors, if you're putting all this stuff on your truck, you gotta step up and get into custom tuning, man, because that is what's going to truly give you the best bang for your buck, and you're going to truly see your parts shine right there. Like I said, if you guys watched the dual fueler video when I installed the dual CP3s, I even said in the video, like, it feels the same. Like, it doesn't feel different. It feels different now. Most noticeably in Tune 5. That's a rowdy girl right there. She is rowdy. So yeah, CTT did a good job. I just said it. Well, if you stuck around now, you know I got CTT tuning. So if you didn't know that, but yeah, so I got CTT tuning. They did a good job with this file. I like it. So other than waiting 3 weeks for a file, I like it. But you know, it is what it is. So man, this feels good. I'm ready to go back on the road again. Another road trip. All right, you guys. Well, you guys, I wanted to bring you some content, just kind of, you know, give you a little lightning or exposure to tuning. I know a lot of YouTubers don't really talk about it or really go in depth with it and stuff like that. I mean, I really didn't either. I legitimately just plugged up my AutoCal, programmed it, and then went for a drive after I loaded it on from the computer. So, not bad, man. So, if you guys got any questions, comments, drop them down below in the description or the comment box. Be on the lookout because I got a lot of videos I'm about to be pumping out from going to Beans, and then I got videos I got to make now that we're back and the show's over with. And then also with the truck, man, seeing all those trucks out there motivated me so hard. It motivated me more than I already am when it comes to working on my truck. But I am pumped to get this build to a next level or get this build going beyond this. I'm talking transmission, aesthetics, appearance. The way the truck looks now is not how it's going to be for the rest of this time. I can tell you that much. In terms of what's going to get done and all that stuff, I don't know yet. But I do know that the 3rd gen, get outside, let you guys check her out. The 3rd gen and the Cum Daddy, she's going to be around for a little bit. So until next time, you guys, take care. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give a like. Hit the like button, all that good stuff, all right? You guys take care, be safe.